Assalamualaikum Sabti.
Ada seorang je.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present our project, which is travel agency system of confidence WNW. It means all year world. So I'm going to pass it to my friend AQIL.
First of all, I want to introduce you to our group members. First, we have our group leader, AHMAD bin AZMAN. Second, AZIM HAZMI bin HASMARIZA. Third, Muhammad bin HAMRI, which is me. And the last one is Muhammad ZAFRAN bin MOHD. Next. Project introduction. The project introduction. This project presents a travel agency booking and management system designed to streamline travel operations. The system provides customers with a convenient platform to browse packages, make booking and submit inquiries, while offering administrators efficient tools to manage package, users and transactions. By addressing common challenges in traditional travel agency process, the system aims to improve customer satisfaction and enhance operational efficiency. For the traditional travel agency system nowadays, the problem we have cover the two process major problems. First of all, customer need an easy way to browse packages and book straight and send inquiries. And second one, admin needs a way to manage packages, bookings and inquiries efficiently. So in the traditional one, they need to do the whole version, like to write down what to do and next on. The objective. Project objective, we have 5 and 2 factor in admin and customer. For the customer objective, first of all, customer can make and cancel booking. Second, submit inquiries. And third, browse travel packages. For admin, manage packages, booking users and inquiries. And also store important data in database. Okay, I will pass to AZIM. Thank you.
So our system targeted 3 user, which is public user, registered customer and admin and staff. Firstly, the public user is can browse packages and view information. Next, registered customer can book trips, manage booking and submit inquiries. And lastly, admin and staff can manage packages, bookings, user and inquiries. Next. There are 9 system features in our system, which is public homepage, package detail page, login sign up, booking form, payment option, my bookings, help and inquiry page, inquiry history and admin dashboard. Next. So next, the user interface and flow diagram. So firstly, the visitor will open the website and browse their packages, and then if they are interested in any offer that we have, they will click the package detail and click book now if they are interested. And if the user not signed in, they will go to login page, and if they already signed in, they will go to booking page. And then after they fill up all the requirement, they will submit the booking and they can view or cancel the booking. And lastly, next they can submit inquiry if they wanted to. And lastly, admin logs in and manage system. And so this is what I will explain. Next, database design. We have 4 tables, which is user, packages, booking and inquiries. So first, the user table store all user medical information such as ID, username, full name, email, phone, password, role, created at, and last login. Next, for packages table, the package table contains details of all travel packages offered by the company. These include the package key, title, country, location, premium private tour price, group tour price, self-tour price, duration, image status, and created at. And next, the bookings table record, customer reservation. Each customer information selected, it consists of username, full name, email, phone, package key, package status, country, image, travel date, payment method, class label, adult, sub-bed, sub-number bed, infant, elders, total, special request, status, created. And lastly is inquiries table. It consists of ID, username, full name, email, subject, message, status, admin, reply, created and updated. So next I will pass to my friend BAQIR.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the key pages in our website. So we have home page, sign up, sign in, package details, booking page, payment page, my bookings for the customer, inquiry page, and then dashboard. And I'll explain further on it in dashboard. Okay, so now let's go to the website. Okay, so this is the main page of our website. So if we click on destinations, it will bring the user to the packages available. Now, the users don't even have to click one by one; they can just scroll. Okay, so this is our packages. The packages that are available. This is about us page. This is the contact page. Okay, so if the user have any inquiry about the packages, they can click here the help button. So when they click the help button, it will bring the user to the inquiry page, in where the user can ask the company about any inquiries. Now, let's go back to the home page. Okay, so if I'm the user and I want to browse any packages, I want to book any packages, please note that here the user haven't signed in yet. I haven't signed in yet. So you can still see the details about the packages, and then click book now. It will bring the user to the sign in page. Okay, so if the user doesn't have any if the user doesn't have any account, they can go to sign up now. Okay, here is the sign up. Here is the sign up page. Okay, then since I already have an account, let's sign in. So now you can see that I have already signed in. My username will appear in the profile here. Okay, so let me show you the profile. This is the profile, in where the user can look at their username, the details about themselves. This is the username, my name, my email, my phone number. So this is if the user wants to change their password. Right, let's go back to home. And then, okay, I'll show you an example of how the user, how the process of the booking. Okay, so after clicking book now, it will bring the user to the booking page, in which the user needs to fill in their information because I've already tried this website before. This is the actual booking, and in which if I want to cancel it, I can just click cancel booking. Now we have the booking history. Okay. So this is the booking history. Alright. Next, let's move to the admin. Okay, now I will log out and log in again. So this is how the admin dashboard will look like. So this is the available pages. Admin can look at the available pages and change the prices. Change the prices of the tour, of the pages. So we have set tour, group tour, private tour, remember premium private tour, and then if we change the price, going to 5,300, and same price, and package price, update set. So now let's look at add packages. Okay, this page, if anyone wants to add packages, they can add the package title, country, location, tour price, durations of tour price, premium private tour price, image file name, and then add packages. Add package. Alright, so this is the users. Okay, so this is the table of the users, and you can see how many users are there and what is the role of each user. We have admin, staff, and customer. And this is another admin. So inquiries, if there are inquiries from the customer, then you can see it from here. But so far, there are no inquiries, so no inquiries found. And then we have bookings. Okay, so as you can see before, I present that I've tried to book as the customer. Now, so this is the history of my bookings. And you can see that AQIL has the power to cancel the booking. For example, if the customer did any problem, they can cancel the booking. And then okay, that's all for the system, for the website. Now I'm going to pass it to my friend ZAFRAN.
Okay, so now I will continue for the admin function. So actually what can we do? So if the admin function is mostly they can be package, add package, update the package, like what BAQIR just said before. The power of admin that they can be package, add package, update the package price, user, view booking, view certain queries, and this actually what BAQIR already explained before for the admin function. So next, we will see the technical and implementation. So what are we using when we do our project is, for example, we use HTML for our structure, CSS for our styling, JavaScript for the interaction, PHP for the server-side processing, MySQL or MyPHP for the database, and ZAIM for the local server. So basically, we are using the application that we are already learned during our semester. Okay, so next we will see the testing and verification. So what are we actually testing in our project? So for example, the thing that we if the intention is either the login is works or not, the password checking works. That means like you are checking the password whether is correct or not. The booking saved to the database, booking cancellation works, encouraging save to the database, ending update price and package price updated from the database. So basically all of this is the thing that we already tested and implement before we launch our website. So next, the AI usage explosion is we are using AI to
become better and help us to do some testing. Either is okay for the overall perspective. And lastly, for the challenge and solution. When we are doing our project, we discover that we have some problem, and with the problem, we come up with the solution. So the first problem is we found that the package price were high-coded. So with that problem, we move the price to the SQL, to the MySQL. Next, the homepage should be public, but the booking requires login, like we showed before. When user open our homepage, they can see the booking first before they login, so that they can like see either we serve them the option that they want, so that the solution is we added the login checking before booking. Next, the admin need the package control, so that we take the admin dashboard. So because we know that admin, they need the power when using this website, so that we created the admin dashboard. Okay. So let's see, for our conclusion, so what can we conclude based on our system? That this, firstly, the system allow the customer to cross package, booking, test booking, and send queries, which make the booking become more simpler and more interesting. Next, the admin can manage the travel package and customer request. Other than we help the customer, we also help the admin to make their work become more easier. Next, the database integrated make the system more dynamic and accurate, and also easy to update. Lastly, WNW travel agency system provide a better experience for both customer and so basically this our WNW travel agency system. We give our best for the customer and for our end. So that's all from us.
So that is all from us. Thank you for listening to our presentation.
Ikut
Kira tu
Bapak semua